Hey G-Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode we got this cool element right here, and basically what this is a bamboo cutting board. If you see the way how the design is actually very unique. It basically has dual function when you guys do use it. If you see the way how to design it. But if you see for the one that we got right here is from a brand called Buffalo. And if you guys see my previous video, I actually reviewed a lot of different products from this brand, ranging from like rice cookers, woks, pots, pans, and etc. But this time right here we do have the cutting board. So I'm actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys do open up, if you see this is what the inside looks like. So it's all nice wrapped up, but let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So first thing we want to do is to take off the wrapper first. Once you guys do take off the wrapper, this is what the product looks like. So right off the bat, when you guys do take off the wrapper, you guys can definitely smell the high quality bamboo wood material. And even when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it actually feels really soft and very smooth. You can definitely tell that they do use real bamboo material, which is pretty cool. And on both sides they do have the brand logo Buffalo. So this is what this side looks like. If you guys do turn around, here is basically what the other side looks like. So really cool how they do give you guys the option to flip it around if you guys do need to use it for different situations. So for this side they basically give you guys like a flat board design, but they do have like the non-slip material on both sides. So that way when you guys do use it, it won't move around. Same thing for the other side. But the way how they designed this side, they basically have this part right here. So that way when you guys are chopping stuff or slicing stuff, all the juice will fall on the side right here, which is pretty cool. And then for this part, if you guys want to take it out, you basically want to go like this. And that way you can use it on this side if you guys want to. So really cool how it does give you guys the option to use a cutting board like this way as well. And then for this part, when you guys do take this part out, you basically have the option to use it as a tray to put stuff on here. Maybe if you guys want to set it up as a charcuterie board or something, which is pretty cool. Or like I mentioned, if you guys want to use it as a cutting board, you do have the option available as well. And the way how they designed this cutting board right here, they do give you guys two handles that is removable if you guys do need to. And once you guys are done using it, you can put it back inside. It doesn't matter which way to put it in, whether you guys want to put it this way or the other way. But once you guys do put it back together, this is what the product looks like. If you see for the product is not too big, it's actually pretty good, decent size. And when you guys do put it together like this, it basically looks like a regular bamboo board. That's actually pretty thick, if you can see. But definitely really cool how the product allows you guys to use it as a cutting board or a tray once you guys do take it apart. So that way if you guys are hosting a party or something, you don't have to carry two different things. All you guys need is one of these and you guys are all set. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's go test this out to show you guys how well it works, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the cutting board. So like I mentioned, you do have the option to take it out if you guys do want to. So that you can use this area only, or you can use both of them at the same time, or separately. And for this test, we're going to use this Santoku knife from the same exact brand. And I do have an onion right here. So if you guys do test it out, let me show you guys how well it works. So see how well the cutting board works when you guys do use it. And if you guys are interested, feel free to check out this knife, which is Santoku knife from the same exact brand, the Buffalo cookware brand. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys do use it. If you see, it definitely does work. Welcome back guys. So now it's a quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So like I mentioned, if you guys want to use it for like slicing stuff, chopping stuff or whatever, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But you see when you guys do use it, it definitely works pretty well. And like I mentioned earlier, it's actually pretty cool how you do have the option to use a cutting board, or you do have the option to use a tray, or you guys can use both of them at the same time when you guys do separate it, which is really convenient. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or for a party, however you guys want to use it and wherever you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality cutting board that basically allow you guys to use it as a 2-in-1 like I mentioned, where you can use it as a cutting board or a tray, or both of them at the same time when you guys do separate it, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.